Welcome to my new intro.
Some of the most successful people on earth of us.
Yes, people, me there. I'm about to do a vlog. The FedEx truck pull up. My sister Jamaica send me a package, guys. I'm just in time to see the truck card. Them love come and turn back, you know. So yes, people, I've been looking out. I'm good. So guys, see the truck come. Straight from Jamaica. People may look out for them, you know, because you see FedEx have a style. FedEx have a style where, thank you Sharika. So my sister Jamaica sent me bun and cheese, guys. Yes guys, and I'm gonna unpack it for you guys for no to say a real bun and cheese girl get from straight out of yard. So people, I'm excited. I'm super excited. So are you ready? If you see, when we unbox it, I need to set the phone somewhere where I can unbox it. I couldn't see what I do. I want to see the information, the name and stuff on the box. Let me get myself a knife so we can pull it together. You understand? I'm excited. Today is Good Friday, guys. But we're not going to see the video until Easter. Happy Good Friday. And today we started off eating meat. Now remember say I know meat there. So people, I'm thinking where I'm going to set the phone. But anyway, I think about something. Hope it not drop. I'm going to set it right here. Right here. YouTube do not flag me for a knife. So, how you cut them backs here? I'm cutting it from the top here. I don't want to cut up whatever in there. You see it? Woo! People! A real Jamaican business this. Woo! So, all the way from Jamaica, I bring to you Easter bun and cheese, and yes, good deal. I appreciate it because this is original bun and cheese. You know them have some over here, but them not get a taste, yeah. So guess who is gonna have Easter bun for Easter? Moi. Me. Karguras. You understand? I'm so excited, guys. I'm super excited for my bun and my cheese. This is my baby. So yes, people all the way from... Listen, I get up from early. They lay away at FedEx, you know. From early. Because I know how FedEx stay. You see, FedEx is a thing. Then we come and then knock. And then just put one stick up on your door. And say them did come at your yard. So me make sure it's there. Alright, that's all. So thank you for watching this video, guys. I'm not gonna keep this video long. Thank you for making a part of Korguda's ENC. And you can comment down below what you're having for Easter. And if you like to have a piece of bun and a piece of cheese, Jamaican cheese, for Easter. You understand me? I try to talk like a patois. I don't know if my patois good. I know my chat bad now. But I mean, I want to have a did I say that good? Yeah. Nothing is nice like when you have a piece of Easter bun and cheese in Jamaica and Easter. If I was in Trinidad, we'd be eating hot cross bun. In Trinidad, they eat hot cross bun. You know, I don't know what. I know they do the egg and stuff here in America, but does rabbit lay eggs, people? Me don't know about that. But anyway, me know them do the egg and stuff here. I said rabbit egg. Comment down below if rabbit lay egg. Me don't know about that, the whole Easter thing. But anyway, guys, happy Easter. I hope each and every one of you have a wonderful time filled with love and laughter and joy with your family member, and whatever you are doing for Easter, I hope that you really enjoy it and appreciate someone. It's a thought that counts. You understand, guys? I made a post, you know, and my sister said, I'm gonna make you get Easter bun and stuff, you know, and only God knows how much I appreciate. I didn't have to do a vlog about it, but I decided I want to do a vlog because I really appreciate it. You understand? If anyone knows me, I know I'm miserable, you know. I'm miserable. I'm very miserable. If you know, you know. You understand? I'm miserable, but I'm a nice person. And I know when I'm wrong, I am wrong, you know. But if anyone know me, I'm a very kind person. And if anybody do anything for me, I really appreciate them and appreciate it, you know. That I mean, if somebody do something for me, you know, them can make step on me, you know. No. Yeah, but I'm really appreciative. If you do something for me, I appreciate it. You understand? So yeah. And guess what upon it? But I feel more better. The bandana. I like the package with the bandana. You know me gonna get big advertisement, you know. The bandana. You see the bandana here? It reminds me of Louise Bennett. That's what she name? Louise Bennett. Louise Bennett. If I call her name wrong, I'm sorry, but it reminds me of her. So people the bun heavy though. I'm not gonna lie, it heavy. It heavy. And it full up the box, you know. The box full right up, feel that? Oh, people. You want a slice? You want a slice? Tell me if you want a slice. So guys, y'all will see this video. I did this video on Good Friday, but y'all gonna see this video, guess when? On Easter Day. And then when I'm having my bun and cheese, y'all gonna get a next video for that. You understand? I feel so silly, guys. I feel so silly, but I really appreciate this. Look at. Read what it say. What it say? Product of Jamaica. You can read it. And a camouflage, you know. And a camouflage, you know. People just say, no. When I buy anything with my Jamaica are foreign, people always say, no, sir, I don't read Jamaica item that day. So now, you can't talk to me because guess what? Straight out of yard it a come from. Straight from yard. This a come from. You hear me? Straight from Jamaica. I'm trying to talk a little power. Yes, guys. But anyway, blessings to you all. Thank you for making it to Corey Good as ENT. Bye, guys. I am out.